Let's start with a super simple email send. We're going to start from the very beginning. So what I'll do here is I will create a new program. I'm going to do a single send program, so I'm going to name this super simple. The program type is going to be an email. Now we'll just say create. And what you'll see here is there's 4 basic steps. I like to go in a Z shape. So essentially the first thing we need to do is decide who we want to send it to. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload from an existing static list that's already been created. The first thing I'll do in the search is I'll say member of list. Drag that over here, and I'm going to look for my smart list. I'm going to look for my list, which is my seed list for training. That's all I need to do. I can ignore all of these for the moment. Go here. And we should see, yep, $38.99. So this is good to go. You can see the green check mark. I'm all set here. Next thing I need to do is I need to choose an email. I haven't created an email, so let's do that now. What we'll do is we'll say new local asset email. We can create a simple one here. Let's take this. One thing you have to remember, always enter a name. This will throw you off if you don't. Email to send. And then operational email. This is basically, an operational email is only when you have a transaction happening. Otherwise, this ignores the subscription preferences. It ignores if somebody's already unsubscribed. So this is a pretty dangerous thing to use. You don't want to use it very often. Only if somebody is expecting a response because they filled out something very specific. So here we're going to create this. And now here we can build this thing out as we need to. In this case, what we need to do is you have to make sure your to and from and your reply to address is there, and add a subject. This is a subject. When you're done, you will approve and close. And now here you can see that the email is ready to go because it's got the green check mark here. That means it's been approved. If it's not approved, it won't show up in this list over here. So we will select. If, for example, you can't read this thing all the way, what you can do is right-click or drag this little triangle. You can see the full piece. So now we've got our audience. We've got the email. Now what we need to do is create a schedule. We're going to say tomorrow at 6 a.m. And the final thing that you need to do is approve this program. Okay? Now we are good to go. We're set up and ready to go. If you need to change anything for any reason, what you can do, you need to unapprove the program, make a change, and then reapprove the program, or it won't send. I think that's about it for this one. When it goes off, you'll see the campaign dashboard here. That will automatically open up, and it'll give you all the information you need.